Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 18th of January 2015. And starting off in the live trade of the 5-minute chart, as I said on numerous occasions last week, if nothing happens in the first half of the session, then have a look at the quiet part, which is generally the quieter part, but because of the range of these bars, 50 and 60 points, it seems to be shifting at the moment the signals over into what would be considered the less volatile and quieter times. So that's what we're seeing here. So we have this signal and then the market goes down and fills it. Let's just speed things up a bit. So the signal's filled. The market then starts to come back, and at one point I thought as prices came back above the 16,000 level, we were going to see this taken out, but then prices reversed and then headed back down below the entry price there, and then to the scalp and to the 15,950 level there. So what I did here, as the short side's the best side at the moment, you'll see me mark up the trade again just so I can keep an eye on things. So remark the trade up, and I wanted to see if this market would break this level, because in the background, of course, we've had a massive sell-off in stocks, and just see if prices would move lower before the plunge protection team came in, which they seem to do. Bearing in mind the market was down, heading down towards 500 points after this level is broken. You'll see this in a moment. Again, I'm just going to speed things up, and I'm looking at the daily chart now to see where we've got the downside targets. 15,902 is where there's major support for this market. So I'm having a look at the daily chart to see if I can find a technical level, as it's called, for this market. So we go back and we can see the market now at 15,900, crucial area. So as the market makes these lower highs now, I'm just moving in with a 50-point extension just to lock in the profits, and down at this sort of level here, I'm 104 points in profit. The market coming back, and now what I've done is drawn on an extension there to see if this low can be taken out, and then we head for the 15,850 level. But the market goes down to this and then starts to find some support, and this is an interesting area. 129 points profit. I'm making a decision: do I take the money or hang in there? So I decided to hang in there. It's Friday, fully aware that the plunge protection team could actually come into the market, and you'll see this in a minute. It gets incredibly volatile around this area. You know when they're in, because the volatility really kicks in. So I'll just speed things up again, and you will see the market starting to reverse in a moment. I've moved the stop down now to lock in 90 points profit, and you can see how quickly the market comes back and takes the trade out there. So for the remainder of the session, we had another buy signal, which I didn't do. I sent an email out saying that I'd had enough for the day, but this one went on to make 20 points profit as well. Let's just have a quick look and see what's out on Tuesday, because the next market alert will be on Wednesday. On Tuesday, we've got only European news, no US news at all for Tuesday, and then Wednesday the US returns with CPI core, CPI, US housing starts, and again crude oil inventories, which is going to be interesting as well, particularly that over the weekend, according to the news wires, that Iran and the US have now removed sanctions, and that means that they can flood the market with oil. So this $10 per barrel level is a possibility now that the sanctions have been removed from Iran, and again that's reflected inside of the commodities index there. You can see this making new lows again on Friday, continuing that 5-year decline as more oil comes onto the market. This isn't going to help things at all. The Baltic Dry Index making a new low on Friday as well, 373. Never seen it this low as the market takes out the 500 level and continues to the downside. Historic lows in this as well. The implied volatility 22.35 up on Friday. Should expect the market was down. Again, this reflected in the chart. Right, that's it for today. I will see you in Wednesday's market alert as the market's closed on Monday. Tuesday to get back to normal. Wednesday will be the next market alert. Have a great weekend of what remains, and also let's see what happens on Monday as well. As ever, thanks for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.